shot to an open McGregor. Backdoor! Scores! The Missile-Mocker. Traffic starting to populate in front of the Warrior net. Here's a shot stop. Rebound! Missile-Mocker! Back to the net. He scores! Brady Smith. Here come the Broncos again. Here's a screwing for Rondo. Trying to go backdoor from behind the back. Here's McGregor. A shot stop by Smith. Rebound! Sterling! Scores! He makes a hard bump, but to the point crawl. TDD pass with McGregor. He shot redirected. They score! Getting some extra reps here in the second period. McGregor winds and fires again. Redirected. They score!
From the Broncos the other way. Caswell, left side Bernie. Return feed looking for Caswell. Comes to the front of the net. They score!
No shot taken, but following up is Dzane. Looks wide open. McGregor into the slot. Fire stopped by Mateka. Missile-Mocker scores! Copeland now starts, backs up. Now a wrist and through. Loose clock. McGregor scores!
Yeah, we're running a little bit hot tonight.
Backdoor scores
from the heat coming off.
Josh McGregor.
Reach down between my legs. Ease the seat back.
Puck comes to the left half wall to Steven Stranka. Turns it over. Broncos to the right point. McGregor, left point now. Johnstone holds, shoots, scores!
Not bad, but there has been more opportunities for the Broncos.
Oh boy, the puck squeaks through! In the zone, leads his way far side. A shot off the foot and just missed. Dane with a good opportunity on a snapshot. Now he's got his goal line. Takes it back to the outside board. Now up high, a shot is off the foot. Oh, they score. Was it deflected? McGregor was the one who took the shot.